Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add someone back in Snapchat in two common situations. One, if someone has sent you a friend request and you haven't accepted it yet. Or two, if you accidentally remove someone and want to reconnect with them. It's super simple, so let's get started. Scenario 1, accepting a pending friend request. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in top left corner. Scroll down until you see friends. There you will see add friends. Tap on it. Here a person called Sunil Singh Khati have sent me a friend request. To add him back, tap on accept. Now we are friends. And that's it. You have successfully added them to your friend list. Second scenario, re-adding someone you accidentally removed. For that, go back to Snapchat main screen and tap on search bar on the top. Here, type the username or name of a person you want to add back. If their profile shows up, simply tap on add button next to their name to send them a friend request. Now once they accept, you will be connected again. If profile doesn't appear in search result, they may have changed their username or adjusted their privacy settings. In that case, reach out to them on another platform to confirm their username. Ask them to access their settings so you can add them back. And there you have two simple ways to add someone back in Snapchat, whether you are accepting a pending friend request or fixing an accidental remover. Reconnecting is simple and quick. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.